Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Kraken rod rating and matching reel. This matters because action and power control lure presentation and hook set. Once done, mount the reel and spool 10 to 15 yards of line while keeping about 1/2 tension to avoid twists. Next, tie a Palomar knot, strong, fast, and trim the tag to 2 to 3 millimeters. These first steps get you into fishing-ready mode quickly and ensure the system transfers energy correctly when you cast. You focus on how to cast and control the Kraken rod. Load the tip by accelerating smoothly and release at the right angle. Use a 3/4 cast for distance and 1/2 for accuracy because rod flex stores energy differently. Once your lure is out, control line with your thumb during spool rotation to prevent backlash. Light pressure, subtle adjustment. Then pace your retrieve to match target depth. Slow for deep presentations, faster for surface action. Vary cadence to trigger. You complete the procedure by setting the hook decisively. When you feel a take, sweep using your torso so the Kraken rod loads across the blank. Hold at about 45 degrees to keep pressure. Once hooked, play the fish with the tip up and reel only when the line is tight. This prevents sudden 90-degree shocks that can pull hooks. Finally, land with a net or palm, then inspect knots and gear. If line slips or backs off, ready and check spool tension before next cast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.